Welcome back to the channel. This is Music Mojo Jojo. Subscribe Kanyen manukama manze, leo naspidisha hii shit. Nataka tuingia to the video straight up. So, Mojo Jojo ni hater. That's what these bitches were sounding like in my comments. And then what I was saying inaenda tu ina happen exactly the way I was saying it, Now you all still crying, we ni hater, wacha kuambia watu vile career yao itaenda, unabanja sana, nabanja facts nigga, eat a dick man, na nilishawambia already man. This is the Music Mojo Jojo, not music pop of girls man. Mkitaka that fluffy, gali, weak ass feminine vibe manze, yo utaipata hapa, utapata real hardcore stoic facts nigga, like Mojo Jojo shit man. Wale wanajua kitu nasema, they know what I'm saying man. OG Mojo Jojo man. 2025 Mojo Jojo man. Wale wenye walikuwa around, y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyway, this video is not about me. This video is about the one and only Talk Shit Lyrically manze. Big up, the biggest up, So Toxic alibukiwa issue ya Qatar, and I made a video vile aliland Qatar, na kwa hiyo video I made an observation. All my fans walikuwa hapo, they were all Kenyan. Wote wenye walienda kumgreet kwa airport, they were all Kenyan, but the media was reporting it like, Toxic Lyrically's fans in Qatar show up for the nigga, like the way imetypia utadhani utaenda hapo ucheki them Arab niggas, Arab bitches hapo all around him manze, mixed with the Kenyan crowd, mixed with the local crowd hapo ya Qatar, the way we see in international shows za other artists manze, other made artists. Acha to use Sauti Sol as an example. Somebody even name dropped them in the comments. Yeah, Sauti Sol as a whole manze, wakiwa separated pia hawezi pull off an international show. Karibu niseme so. Wakiwa separated hawezi pull off an international show. Maybe BN on his own, but we're still yet to verify that. Like real international, not Africa International. But at Africa International will be a heads up, because these niggas still can't. Even East Africa International, these niggas is still heavy. Why? Niggas don't understand you, so they don't fuck with your music. And that your language barrier, it has always been the reason why most niggas will never break to international stardom. Na inafaa tukubali tu at some point. Inafaa ujikubali tu manze. Kama uko ready kuswitch manze, uanze Mangoso, ukwe Khaligraph Jones hapo, Papa Jao, ama ukwe TNT, ukwe BT na Nikita Kering and them. Kama uko ready to make that switch and stay dedicated to that fan base and feed them over and over and over again for years and years and years until they actually value you as an artist, actually wanakuangalia high and they hold your music at such high regard, until you ever do that, you will never break international. And that's just the reality of things manze. Na see, it's not a bad thing on its own. Bado tu Wakenya wanaweza kulisha manze, Wakenya wanaweza kujenga man, Wakenya ni wengi enough, so you can still make it work here manze. There's 52 million of us in the country and probably a million more scattered all over the world manze. Wanaweza kubeba wakulete place yao, as we've seen. Njerai pia amekuwa Australia manze. I was gonna make a video on that on her own. I probably still will, but acha ni put my 2 cents in hapa, So as tumeona show yake imekuwa tuka ya Toxic Lyrically, exactly as predicted, exactly like I said, Kenyan rappers and the international shows. wanakuanga just performing for the same crowd just in a different location. Ka hii ya Toxic Lyrically ya Qatar manze, ukitoa hiyo caption ya Qatar man, utupie tu ase hivyo, niggas wataona tu ni show yake ingine tu Kayole, because that's the vibe, that's the accent yenye iko hapo, those are the people wenye wako hapo, like hata ileti vibe ya a different culture, ileti hiyo feeling yenye music yako break through your regular audience, imefikia wase wengine wenye hawange kusikia kama hawange kuwa wana nini, like niggas who would have never heard of you but they heard of you because they would have never heard of you because they are not in the same country as you, but they heard of you because your music is just that good. It just attracted them the way y'all are attracted to, let's say, most American ama UK rappers, because mnawasikiza, you understand them. English is like a first language to a lot of Kenyans, maybe a second. By the way, Kenyans, we are very intelligent people, manze. Shout out to that, manze, because acha niwaambie kitu, the average person in the world, the entire world, the average person speaks one language for their entire lives. The average person. Keep that in mind, manze. You start to make out of 3 billion people, that's how 1.5 billion people will speak one language for the rest of their lives. Hiyo ni out of 3 billion, na sasa tuko 8 billion manze, so half of that hiyo ni ka 4 billion. 4 billion people wataongea tu lugha jamu for their entire lives. But sisi huku Kenya, we are blessed manze, because the average person in Kenya, average, si majenzi najua wengi wenu hamjui lugha ya mama, but the average person in Kenya speaks 3 languages manze. Tatu. Hiyo ni some incredible IQ points, because IQ points huwa inaongezeka na knowledge ya different languages manze. So that should give us a sort of head start manze, ama aje. Hata if we count Sheng as a language, we can say 4 manze. Juu niggas wana learn Swa, na Swa na Sheng they are nothing like each other. Sijui mbona unaletanga hii mix ati Swa mixed with nini Ngoso ndio inakuwa Sheng. Man, words zingine za Sheng man, mimi sijaisikia mahali kwa Swahaba Ngoso man. This shit is a language of its own man. By it I ushasikia bugda wapi kwa Ngoso, ati wase wamebugda, wamenyuria ama salopa. Ushasikia salopa wapi? Najua inatoka kwa salasa alafu inageuzwa hivi nini, but point ni it has become a language of its own. So the average Kenyan speaks 3 languages. Hiyo ni 3 languages, hiyo ni 3 different audiences uko now to reach. Hiyo ni kama to count Sheng as a language, by the way. 3 languages, 3 separate audience that unaweza reach ukiwa a multi-speaking artist. But sasa ubaya hiyo formula ni utakosa niche, utakosa kufind place specific ya kufocus on, na hiyo itakulead to kutry kuwa people pleaser, and people see behind that shit manze. Unaonanga people pleaser, unamjua tu nigga trying to make songs just for a specific type of audience, inakaa imefosiwa, inakaa hata msanii mwenyewe atasikia hiyo doba. You know these people pleaser kind of artists, nao ndio wanakuanga like mainstream, wale utawasikia once tuseme maybe alikuwa na hit jamu alafu sasa anakuwa spammed kwa mafeatures. Hao ndo vuku type niggas kwa mafeatures nini. Ule mse alitoa ile doba kila mtu ako na pombe, sijui kama mnakumbuka hiyo ngoma, my head sijui my heart my zisi kuna manze, ilikuwa above the belly sijui above the nini, ngoma fulani ya ufala tu manze ya makali, which niggas drank to and forgot about it manze. Niggas hata wamesahau hiyo ngoma, mimi hata nimesahau the melody, but I know there was a song about sijui unaweka glass yako tumbler yako sijui above the belly nini. That's the only thing I remember from that song. Anyway, now adapting these 3 languages utakufanya ukue somebody like that. The best move to do in Kenya ni kuchagua Sheng na kubaki na hiyo, because that's the most widely spoken and the most widely understood. Ama umix Ngoso na Swa pia. It worked for Calligraph, it can work for you. Manze Calligraph ako chini man, and I'm sure the average rapper is better than Calligraph, so that should not be a headache. It should be something easy to surpass, and I'm sure it will be to you if you're actually talented. Na makosa ni hii inaleta hiyo kitu yenye nimekuwa nikiongelea about You kitu wenye you find niggas going performing international shows but it's just the same audience manze, ni wa Kenya tu unaperformia. So are you really an international artist at that point, ama we ni artist tu umebukiwa kwa club fulani, let's say a private party, because that's just what it seems like. It's just a private party, watu wamefika bei fulani wamekuita. Yes, you manage to fly across, but pia niggas who fly kutoka Dhumo hadi Mombasa manze, kutoka Nai hadi Dhumo pia, you see that shit. Niggas fly around. Dhumo ni Kisumu manze, for y'all who's not been around the west manze, kama mradi. Niggas like audience ni ile tu, wasa unaperformia ni ile tu. It's a good thing, yes, ni show unapata, yes, but it's not an international show. Tuache kujingora hivyo manze. Ndio it looks good on headlines, it looks like you're doing well, but in reality international show inafaa kuwa na people from different nationalities manze, wase different hapo, wameungana hapo. Si vile tulikuwa tunaona Bien manze, Bien ako Breakfast Club hapo, ukiangalia comments ya hiyo video manze, imejaa tu wa Kenya, which is good manze, inaonyesha solidarity, tuna support jamaa yetu, but pia inaonyesha the music is not breaking borders man. I pity mbona Sauti Sol though wamepita, I gotta give it to them, and they are probably the only ones. Calligraph karibu apite, but ikabidi atoe zima, hell yeah we be the champions, ati sisi ndio ma champions. Ikabidi atoe hizo ngoma akwe relatable, but hiyo kufanya akwe relatable ika sacrifice a huge majority of his potential international audience, because hata most of them wanakujanga kurealize the nigga is boring na kona hii flow moja, and he's not really an interesting artist mwenye utataka kusikia new project zake, because ukisikia duba za Calligraph 3 ushasikia zote. Same to Toxic Lyrically by the way. Hata hii video nimejipata nimedivert sana from Mboka Doba, but hiyo ndio kitu huyo ndio jango tulikuwa tumuongelee kwa hii video man. It's still show yake. It flopped man. What else can I tell you man? Music Mojo Jojo out.